Hello everyone. You have a workshop and you don't know how to organize your tools. Here are some ideas how I organize my wall where all my hand tools are. So let's start with the basic wooden screwdriver stand. I'll insert a short video next to it so you can see how I made it. Next, we make a stand for hammers very practical and easy to make from wood. You can make as much space as you need and how many hammers you have. Then, a stand for pneumatic staplers. Very easily and interestingly, we take the accessories for the compressor and put them in one board and fasten them, and later we easily insert the stapler and take it out whenever we need it. Slowly, we are already getting the look of the wall. In essence, you can hang anything on the wall and create a place wherever you want. Next, we make a stand for the tape measure very simply from thin wood. We just screw it to the plate on the wall. Now a very practical way for drills to easily hang them up and take them whenever you need them. If you have a lot of hand tools, such as combinators, pliers, scissors, and other, this is a simple trick how to make a stand for them. We practically just screw it to the wall and hang whatever we want. And of course, we all have a bunch of drill bits and all kinds of drill bits and other tools. Here's how to make a simple stand for all those accessories. You take the most ordinary board and screw it to the wall and drill the holes that suit you for your tool. Thanks for watching. If you like the ideas, click the like. Soon I will record some more ideas on how to organize your tool.